Hello, welcome back to my workshop. Right, did a video a little while ago showing the, where did I put the box? I know where I put it, down here somewhere. There we go. Answering a couple of questions about this. This is the Parkside Nibbler PMK 550A1. I asked if people would like a comparison with an air nibbler. This one is the Parkside air nibbler PDBN 6.3 A1, and so here goes. Firstly, the air nibbler is a lot smaller. You're supposed to put oil in it to lubricate the internal parts, which I've done, and quite a lot of that oil's now come out. And there is the electric nibbler. You'll see, well, somewhat obviously the air nibbler is a lot lighter. Also, this is the air nibblers like this tend to cut on the upstroke. This means that this is the working part of the die, and it will throw its material out of this hole here. Crucially, that means this bit down here, and therefore the bit that holds the bottom on, can be a lot smaller. That means you can do a lot tighter turns. And that one, on the other hand, has much bigger turns. What we're going to do is I'm just going to go and quickly run through and cut a slice into here so we can see how wide the cut is, and the compressor will kick on because it's a very small compressor. Right, you can see the air nibbler, that's the electric nibbler, that's the air nibbler. They are roughly the same sort of cut width. And let's just go and see how tight a curve we can cut. Hold on. Now this is going to conk out a lot because of the compressor. Than the previous one. I'll put a link to the previous video. Oh, let me see that glue back on. I don't know why my hand's cut it. I will. So what we're going to do, quick comparison, we're just going to go and do a cut along here. And then we're going to try the same thing with this. The problem we've got is the air supply. Right, so if we look at that, that was done with, no, that's right, that was done with the electric nibbler, and it has a nibbled surface, and that was done with the air nibbler, slightly wider serrations. Don't know if you can see that. The air nibbler's good, but only really if you've got a compressor that will drive it. I'm waiting and waiting and waiting for Lidl to come up with their compressor, and as yet they have not done that, which is quite vexing to me, because I'd quite like to buy the 50-litre compressor, but since about 2018, when I've been waiting for it, they haven't had it in stock. Just to get that off. So there's the air nibbler. Now someone did say to me that the big problem here is collecting up all these nibbles, and well, I have to tell you, it isn't a big problem at all when you have my little magic swarf gatherer. Because all you need to do is just go run this around here, and it will just go and collect up. Well, it will also collect up a couple of screwdrivers as well. It will just collect up all these little bits. And I'll go and find the videos of me making this, show you how I made that. Anyway, so there you go, air nibbler. If you have a decent, let's see, CFM rate, it requires 200 litres a minute. So I think you do need Lidl's biggest compressor. Will drive that. It is a joy to use when it's been driven with a decent sized compressor. It really is. I like it quite a lot. The electric nibbler, on the other hand, you don't need a compressor. It's quite a lot quieter not firing up a compressor. So, thank you for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe. If you found this video especially useful, by all means hit the super thanks button, and I'll see you in the next video.